As a new YouTuber, there's a way to upload your videos here on YouTube that will make or enable YouTube algorithm to recognize your presence, your channel presence here on YouTube. So, first of all, I want you to know that there are three forms of video here on YouTube, which we have the long form video, we have the short, we have the long form short. So, these three forms of video here on YouTube, you must know how to upload them correctly on YouTube for your channel to start getting used to YouTube algorithm. So let me break it down for you so that you understand. The YouTube long form video is the normal video YouTube, that is the video that you film in a landscape mode. You understand? That is the YouTube form mode, and it is usually from 2 minutes upward. While the YouTube short video, these are the shorts, those ones that easily grab attention. They are videos that you film in a vertical form or square form that is less or below 60 seconds. So the YouTube long form short is a new YouTube form video that they just released. I think it was last year, that any video that is above 1 minute and less than 3 minutes is, and if the video is filmed in a vertical form or square form, it will be classified as YouTube long form short. So these are the three categories of YouTube form video that will do great. So, but what I want you to know here is that you should know how to upload them and which and where you will upload them from YouTube app, YouTube Studio, or desktop version. So if this is the video you love to watch, please do not forget to like the video, leave a comment, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post, you will be notified. So welcome back. So in this video, I will be telling you or showing you how you can upload your video in a rightful way. The three forms of YouTube video, upload it in the rightful way so that the algorithm will be your friend. So let's start with the YouTube normal YouTube video, which is the video that is from 2 minutes and above, and it is filmed in the landscape mode. You know, landscape mode, yes, YouTube format. So if you film video in the landscape mode that is 2 minutes above, it is automatically a YouTube long form video. And the best way you can upload this video is for what? Use what? Your desktop version. You can upload it through phone. Then either Chrome or any other browser that you have. Make sure you upload your video through that desktop version so that YouTube algorithm will help that video to get more view. So let's start with how to upload our YouTube short video. So all you need to do is to locate your YouTube app. This is my YouTube app. Make sure that it's updated. Click on it. You wait for it to load. After loading, you come to this plus sign. Click on it. You will see where they write post live short. Then click on short. Click on short. Then you come to your gallery. Click on your gallery. You select the video you want to use. Let me check for any video that is less than 1 minute or so. Any video that is less than 1 minute, let me use this one. You click on it, you can drag it and adjust it. You can change the timing depending on it, the time, depending how many minutes is the video. Then you click on your done. You wait for it to process. After that, you still click on this next. After clicking on this next, so we have if you want to add sound to it, so if you don't like that sound, all this sound, you can add it to the short. It's free, so you will not be copyrighted, so we don't need it. I'm just using this video as an example. You can add any write-up, like nice, any write-up, a good write-up. I'm just using all this one as an example. So after that, you can, if you want to edit, you click on it, then you click on edit. You can change the color of the write-up. At the same time, you can adjust the size of the video the way you want it. Then you drag it up here, anywhere you want to put it. If you want to do voiceover, you can record your do voiceover if you don't want any sound from the video. There's a lot of feature you can use here. You can add stickers depending on what you want. So you can add pool. There's a lot that you can add here. So then you can change the filter to the way you like it. You can change it. So depending on what you love to add. So after that, you click on this next. So once you click on this next,
once you click on this next, it will what? Take you to where you write your um what is the name again. This is your title. Write your title. Then at the same time you can accept my own to private, you can set it to on list, public, or depending on you. But best place to put it on list, unlisted. Anytime you are uploading any video, make sure it's unlisted. You can schedule it. You have time where you can schedule the video to kick off if you put it in. So exactly by this is around, we are almost around to 5 years. If I put it by 6 o'clock, this video will go up. So it depends on you. I'm not uploading this. I'm just using it as an example. After that, location, then can add related video. If you have any video that is related to it, then you can, you know, if it's an altered content or not. Always click no if you are not using AI or anything about the video. The comment, you can adjust the comment. These are, if you have any pay have advice, you can excuse me, you can click yes and then add it to it. So a lot to do. After that, the next thing to do is to watch, click on what, upload. Your YouTube short will go live. So this is practically how you can upload your YouTube short. Like I told you, the best place for you to be friendly with the YouTube algorithm is to use your YouTube app to upload your normal YouTube short, not the long form short. Yeah, thank you for watching from this side of the screen. See you on the other side of the screen. So that takes us to what? How to upload your normal YouTube video. To upload your normal YouTube video, always use the web version of your Chrome or any apps or any browsing software that you are using. I prefer using Chrome. So make sure that um the video is already saved on your file. So if I want to upload my normal YouTube video, I always save my video to my file before I will upload it to YouTube through this uh, web version of it. So what I will do, this is my YouTube studio. So if I want to upload a video on this YouTube studio, I will personally come to this place. Let me zoom in so that you can see. You come to this place, this arrow up, then you click on it. Just click on it. It will bring out an interface where you will select your file. So there's a select file. Don't choose photo library except you do not save your video or your content to your file. So if you save it to file, you understand. Always you choose what? You choose a what from choose from file. Yes, you can as well choose for your photo library. That if only you do not save your video to your file. So if I click on here, it will take me for my to my gallery where I will select the video that I want to use. But I prefer using this third one. Choose for what, from file. So once I click on it, it will bring out my file. So I will be able to pick. Let me use a random video for example. I will be able, let me pick this one to pick any video that I want to use. After that, I click on open. So the last one is how we can upload YouTube shorts, the long short form that is above 1 minute upward and less than 3 minutes. So which is considered as what, a YouTube short, but it will what, appear on your normal YouTube video instead of YouTube short video. So the best way or the best form that you can upload this long YouTube short video is to use your. So the best way you can upload this long form short is to use your what, normal YouTube Studio app. If you don't have it, you can go to your Google Store, which is a Play Store, or Apple App Store for you to download it. I've downloaded my own. So once I click on it, it is very easy to use. All I need to do is to come to this place, this plus sign, click on the plus sign. It will take me to my gallery. I will upload. Let me use any, if I have any. Yes, I think I have. This should be considered as long form short. So if I click on it, it will take me where I will capture my shot. This place, I can put my title, then my tagging on this place, and I can set it in public or what, or unlisted. So depending on your choice, but it's preferable you put it on listed. Then I can add a related video. I can add either maybe it's altered or not. Then I can off the comment or on the comment. So it depends on me. So there's one thing I want to explain about this long form short is that this place you have option to add your YouTube thumbnail, but it will not be a custom thumbnail that you created. You will pick it from this video. Unfortunately, I don't have any YouTube long form short that are filmed vertical. You know, it must be vertical or square form. All my video that is above 1 minute, they are all what a long normal landscape YouTube video. Assuming I have it, I would have gone to there and open it and show you how you can what add the thumbnail to it, but it must be a clip from the video, not an external clip like the one we used to do, like the one we used like let me use this one. I can upload this. This is just for tutorial purpose. Let me use this one. I can tell for example, it's not like all this one. It's not like all this one that we use on our long form video. It must be a clip that is from the video or the content that you make. So this is basically how you can upload your video or the form YouTube video on your YouTube channel for them to be what friendly with the YouTube algorithm. If you upload it right, you will see that lay, you are you are laying a solid foundation for your YouTube channel. So it's always preferable that you start a solid foundation from the ground, not when you have done uploaded in the wrong way and you start correcting it. It will not do your channel any good. That is it from this side of the script. Ice cream, and I believe that you will subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave us a comment how we can improve on this video. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.